Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial of the next SS. So we will come straight to our point, what we are gonna do today. This is my profile on GitHub. Basically, GitHub is a website where the developers store their code. By the way, I am not a developer, just little knowing some vibe coding stuff. I know just little things. So this is my profile and I have made this repository public. Before that it was private. So the agenda of our today video is how we can remove watermark from the videos in bulk. You see these videos nowadays Gemini videos generated through Gemini. These has watermark. Like this here is it Veo watermark. So we will see how we can remove this in bulk. You search on Google GitHub, you will open this website, create an account on this website, then come here. Then I will give you the link of this specific repo. Come here and to support my work, give a star here. Okay, so let's dive in straight. We will here you can read all the stuff, but we will going dive into straight. Here you can see open in collab. Right click on it, open in new tab. Colab is basically a service by Google where you can run your code free, like a virtual machine with graphic card is provided to you. Here it is connecting with GPU to, and also shout out to the creator of this program, ProPainter. Basically, ProPainter is a GitHub repo, very famous GitHub repo. Its job is to remove unwanted objects from your videos, etc. So I am using this, so I am giving also shout out to them. It's not my creation. Here we will connect to the T4. Let me disconnect it and again uh, disconnect and delete runtime. Yes. Here it will show you connect to T4. T4 is the GPU here. So change runtime time. Here you can see this is CPU mode, this is T4, it's a GPU mode. We will reconnect it. So basically, what we are doing here, we are creating a file mask, where the area Gemini watermark is. We will create a file mask and hide this. Basically, we are doing this simple stuff. Not we are going to in too much complex things. This is called a cell and this is text and this is called a cell. We will simply click on this play button and run this. Ignore this run anyway. And the thing is you get like 2 to 4 hours 2 to 4 hours uh, time of free runtime to do these AI ML stuff, etc. So in first cell, we will click on when click or run. It is asking you us to provide a portrait video as sample file. Here we will go and I will click it's provided a portrait video. It is uploading now. In second cell, it will define the mask of this portrait file and save it. It totally depends on your internet speed. There is nothing running on your system. My internet speed is slow. So it's why there is slow uploading here. Next, we will continue to the next cell. It says that define and save portrait mask. The video we will click uploaded. It will. I have specified the coordinates already. It was like this here in the left bottom here. It will specify it. Our video is almost done. Okay, let's run this cell. Here, as I already have specified, then we will here it is asking us to upload a sample landscape video. We'll click on choose file. Then here is landscape video. We will click on this. It is, and then in the next cell, it's also the same process. It will define and save the landscape mask of this landscape video. We can run it before it. There is nothing gonna wrong when this uploading will be completed. It will be forward to this cell. One thing is when you have completed your task, then you have to disconnect the runtime. Because the GPU will be running and your time will not. There will be remaining no hours for you, runtime hours. Here you can see the uploading videos are showing up, and this is portrait mask of our uh, uh, portrait video. When it will be uploaded, then it will forward to this cell, and landscape mask of our landscape video will be created. Almost done. Then this will forward to this. Here you can see it has pointed out the mask, and also mask file of landscape is also been created. So here, as I mentioned, ProPanter GitHub repo, very famous repo. It will install its model, clone this, and it will install its model. It totally depends on internet, your internet speed. Nothing is working on your own system. And then downloading the model here, proactive error badge. Sometimes the script give errors, so this cell is for this to remove that error. Here comes the main part. We will upload our videos on which we have want to remove the watermark. Basically, I did add a code. It will create here an input folder where we will upload our all videos. Then it will run through all the files in that folder to detect all the videos, then detect according to their landmark or portrait mask and apply on them. Uh, Here you can see input folder as we will click on this three dot and click on upload. I will upload on these both videos. Okay, ignore this warning, nothing is wrong. In the next cell, we will confirm if we want to confirm our videos has been uploaded or not. It will display which videos has been uploaded by their name detect here in the content folder. My internet is slow, that's why uploading is slow. As you can run an automation in Google Flow, when you will run this cell, then go to grab some coffee and chill because it will take some time. Uh, I will also see forward to make a Python script to run on a local system if you have great specs. There are also many developers here in the server. Maybe they can contribute. A contribution are welcome. They are more. They have more expertise than me. I am not. I am not a developer. Just exploring things. As you can see, uh, uploading of one video is almost done. So, and we will click on this drop down. Here you can see our videos has been uploaded. When we run this cell, it will detect it and show their names here. You can see. So we will continue to next cell. This cell says that it will loop all the videos in the input folder and detect their dimension lines. Either they are landscape or portrait, and according to that, it will apply portrait mask or landscape mask. So we'll run this cell. This will take some time. So go grab your coffee or some snacks and wait. I will pause this for some time. Then I will come. Here you can see it has detected frames. The first video has detected 192 frames, and it will go each frame by frame and up and work through this model and apply the masking. Let us
Subscribe to my channel.
I also have code for two other. Here is the code for bulk image upscaling. It is also notebook that was run in Google Colab and image watermark removal bulk. That is like this. I will also make that these two repositories public and record a tutorial how to use them. So here you can see it has starting processing frames after videos, and applying masking. When we click on this content, this was our main folder. This is our repo that we are using. Here in the result folder. You don't need to go in these complexities. I am just showing what it will do. It will has created two different folder. One here one will be our mask file and other will be our result. In paint out dot. This is our result. This is our mask file. Let me open this mask file that it has created. So here is mask video. You can see here green mask it has created to remove this logo. So one our video has been processed and its output is here. Then second our video is processing. When it will be processing, it will show in this folder. The second video processing has been started. It also has 192 frames. So in this meantime, let me introduce our Discord server. Here is our Discord server. Mainly, I sell some tools like AI tools, software keys, and other subscription at affordable price. The current hot selling product is Gemini Ultra on your personal Gmail. These are our plans: 5K credits, 12.5K, purchase 25K credits, and these are the pricing. And I will send you an invite to join the family. Also, there are other tools given here, all available tools channel here. As you can see, we have GitHub developer pack, Cloud Max plan is also available. Windows Key, Copilot, Microsoft, ChatGPT, LinkedIn Career Plan, Adobe Creative Cloud, ChatGPT Plus, Perplexity, Canva, Coursera, CapCut, Gemini Pro, Surfshark VPN, Supergroup, and Hedge. Also check out the updates channel. All the updates will be given there. Updates like some rare things comes, then I will post about this. I will give the server link in the description of this video. So let's come here. It says our result has been saved result slash. So here you can see our both field in our both folders. It is created two folder, one mask file and one output. So we are gonna next if we are gonna download it as it, then both of the mask file and the output will come as it. When we will run this folder, it will delete the mask file. As you can see, mask file has been deleted. Now these two folder with two outputs will be downloaded as a zip file when we will run this next cell. It has been started downloading the zip file. Here it comes the zip file. We'll go here, extract it, extract, extract. So here is our output. As you can see, there is no watermark here, and here is also the output of the other video. As you can see, there is no watermark here. Let's close this. Very disclaimer. Disclaimer: this notebook is intended only for intentional purposes, only for educational purposes. Sorry, educational purposes to show the real capabilities of implementing tools such as Propant, Propanter, and there are also many others. But I like this, and this was the easy one. Stuff. Let's close here our